how are you doing? Good morning. It is currently 8 o'clock on Friday. We are on the way to Virginia Beach, which I'm excited about, but I'm also not excited about, but that's a different story for a different day. We're gonna see how things go. We just finished at Wawa, which is right behind me. So on this trip, our family is taking a ferry like halfway to Virginia Beach, and then we're gonna drive like the rest of the 2 hours or whatever the case may be. I found out when I was 9 years old, give or take, I had chocolate, like the little donuts, like these things right here, and I ended up getting seasick by eating chocolate. So then later on that boat ride, I decided to eat a chocolate chip ice cream sandwich because it was cold, so it made me feel better, but also had chocolate, so I wanted to see if it was just like to see what it was, whatever. Yeah, that didn't help at all. So I've decided since then that anytime I take a boat or a ferry or whatever the case may be, I'm not gonna eat chocolate. So we just got done at Wawa and we got a double turkey sausage on a croissant with cheese, a hash brown, which we're gonna add together on some big back shit, and then we got, of course, the bev, which we got little juice going on. I do already have a white peach lemonade also, just to have something, and my grandma's gonna get me some water. And so being that I can't eat chocolate, and if you guys didn't know, food on the ferry is expensive as hell, I got myself 2 banana muffins. I love banana bread, I love banana muffins, I love anything with banana, period. So yeah, we got that going on. So now we're about to go to my grandma's house right now and wait for everybody else to show up so we can head the fuck out. And I may or may not have overpacked. I'll show you guys once we get there of how much we packed. And we're only there until Monday. Like we're leaving Monday, but it's like I like my options. You can't just tell me like pack for 3 days and I don't know what we're doing. So I bought my house shoes, I bought sneakers, I bought like nice dress shoes, I'm wearing my Crocs. Like I got a lot of pair of shoes. I'm not a person to wear a lot of shoes, but again, I don't know what we're doing and I don't want to not bring sneakers and then we end up going on a whole entire walk. Then I'm gonna be mad. So yeah, let's head to grandma's house.
Nobody else
So I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but currently we are at the diner with the whole family. I'm gonna see if I can get a video for you guys about that. We are getting something to eat. I took a fat ass nap, and I'll definitely post like locations of where we're going and stuff like that. I believe we're still 3 hours away, which is kind of annoying, but yeah, that was it. We just got to the Airbnb of our Virginia trip. This is one of the bedrooms, which is not where I'm gonna be staying, but I'm gonna give you guys a small little tour of the Airbnb.
Nobody else
street lights. Right on the side of the one house, there's a path.
Willing to do